Wow! Hi baby! Asa ka? Magkapuya Island.
Island.
Mo ni mo tourist guide oh. Naka DSLR pa.
Social.
Ganda!
Ayan.
Guys, dapat dyan makadto diri sa Paradise. Magkapuya
Kami
Island.
palang nauna dere.
Coron,
Kami
Palawan.
palang nauna kay nangadlawon mig adto.
From Coron, it's almost 1 hour ride by boat. Kusog kayo ngalon. Wow. Ganda. Super ganda. Amazing. Perfect for honeymoon. Magkapuya Island.
Mainit. So, ang ganda, white sand.
Ganda.
Look. The best.
Init. Wait. Yes, welcome to Magkapuya Island. Char! 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 Photographer Char!
Kuya kayo, marag correct.
Ma'am, guwapo kayo mami, as in. Mami, as in, guwapo kayo. Woo! Super ganda! Ganda! I love you, Mads!